Hi, my name's Rosalinda, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a homework question from week 1A. It is question number 5, which says, suppose a man's scalp hair grows at a rate of 0.38 millimeters per day. What is the growth rate in feet per century? So first we start with what we're given, which is the growth rate of 0.38 millimeters per day, and we want to convert that to feet per century. So first we'll begin by converting 0.38 millimeters. And we know that in every 1 centimeter there is 10 millimeters. So we will go ahead and convert that then to inches by knowing that 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. And then from inches we know that there is 12 inches in every 1 foot. Then we will multiply straight across top and bottom. You will also see the units begin to cancel out by millimeters, then centimeters, and then the inches, which will leave us with just feet. So once we go ahead and divide the 0.38 over 304.8, that's going to give us a total of 0.00124672 feet per day. That's the new growth rate. But we still need to know how many days or how many feet per century. So how many days are in a century? I looked it up, and including leap years, it would be about 365.25 days per year. And we know there's 100 years in a century. So we're going to go ahead and multiply that. That gives us 36,525 days in 1 century. But that's total, so we still have to multiply it by how many feet per day for the growth rate. So we're going to do the 0.00124672 feet per day times 36,525 days per century, and that's going to give us a total of 45.54 feet per century. And this will be our final answer in figuring out how many feet per century. Hi, my name's Rosalinda, and today we are going to be going over another lesson from week 1A. This one is question number 12. It says, a candy shop sells chocolate for $10.85. What is the price of 1.5 kilograms of chocolate? So we're going to start again with what we were given, and we're given chocolate cost $10.85 per pound at this specific candy shop. And we want 1.5 kilograms. So how much is that going to cost us? We need to begin by converting kilograms to pounds. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20462 pounds. And we are going to then multiply that by 1.5 kilograms to give us 3.30693 pounds. Because that is the equivalent of 1.5 kilograms in pounds. So then, knowing that, we still have to convert. If we know it's 10.85 per pound, we then need to multiply by how many pounds we have, which is 3.30693, and that will give us a total of 35.880. So we know that now that 1.5 kilograms of chocolate at this candy shop will cost us $35.88. And the closest answer was $35.81, so that was the answer we chose.